Gavana ma kaunti ma Siaya James Orengo koroni topo mokalo tendo bila ma pachuka India hinya tumanindo mano ma Central mano ino boma ndi mano ma Kisumu koteno rekoda okango nogo mabende gisekaw mapiyo marandhiyo mawuok Jonjore maromo adeka mabende ne omonjo seneta ma kaunti ma Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi e boma ma Kisumu. Kata kamano ne owacho ni ndhiyo achijego iko kende okoromo tunjore mondo mi tim nonro matuto mondo mi nyal ndhi jatend achije kata jori makaman.
What has brought me here was that 2 days ago we were here when we came to report formally to the police the incident that led to the assault and robbery committed against Senator Osotsi, who, as you know, is the senator for Vihiga and one of the principals in our movement of ODM Linda Mwananchi. And with a degree of appreciation that 3 people have already been arrested and have been arraigned in a court of law in the magistrate's court. However, it is our belief the people who plotted this heinous crime, the people who funded this crime must also be arrested and apprehended. We want these incidences to stop, the thuggery to stop, and also some people are trying to create division between lawyers and lawyers. This incident was not about lawyers and lawyers. This incident occurred because of a criminal gang. So we urge the public not to be persuaded that this was an ethnic act of ethnic hostility. The lawyers are our neighbors, are our friends, and they have supported the party ODM. In fact, the largest number of ODM members of parliament outside the Nyanza region is in the Western. We continue to hold our rallies on 19th, tuko Nakuru. Na itakuwa mbaya. Nakuru itakuwa mbaya. And then after Nakuru, we go to one more place. And then our concluding rallies, although our rallies will continue until the elections next year, but our major crescendo of the rallies that we are holding will be in the city of Kisumu and in Nairobi.